It's that super flow, no, she my flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that super
Hello friends, today I'm gonna teach you some of the basic economic terms which we often come across in our economic textbook or while studying economics, or you may also use this in your day-to-day life conversation. So friends, my name is Shanku Paul and I welcome you all to my channel. Did you know? Let's know in a deeper way. So friends, let's get started. The first one which we have is biasness. Biasness means any partiality or favoring someone or something. So just take an example. If we toss a coin, we may get either a head or a tail. That means head and tail have equal chance of being selected. So just consider its contrary. If we toss a coin and get head and only head, that means what? We might say that the coin is biased or the coin have some biasness. So for your better understanding, just take another example. Suppose Judge Henry is hearing a case of crime. So after looking at all the evidence and witness produced before the law, he has given its verdict just the opposite or the evidence and witness says. Then we might say Judge Henry is biased. Moving to the next, we have vice versa. So I think you all must read about demand law in your school. So what the demand law says, when prices fall, demand will rise, and when prices rise, demand will fall. So let's understand this in simple words. Suppose a commodity, say an apple, costs rupees 5. So with that particular 5, 20 people consume it. Now suppose due to some reason the prices of apple comes down to 5 to 4. Then of course there will be some addition in the number of people who consume it earlier. And of course if there is an increase in the prices of apples, suppose 5 to 6, of course there will be some diminution in the number of people who consume it. So what we can say, when prices fall, demand will rise, and when prices rise, demand will fall. Or we must say, when prices fall, demand will rise, and vice versa, means just the opposite.